build the base, or you're just gonna keep going?
So let's run over the deer.
Wait, I gotta side quest. Give me a sec.
I'm gonna run you over. Self-defense.
Wait, one second. Oh.
What the hell? Yeah,
Bye, bitch.
You're still behind him. You're still behind him.
Do you need a shovel? What the hell?
How are you surviving
She's
in this
eating
cold?
it.
Oh.
Ew.
Holy fuck.
Ew.
Good. Thumbs up.
Wow.
I have one too. Haha. Alright, so.
I looked around. Do I have any more? I don't.
The lady, how are you so fast?
Oh my god, look at her run. Holy shit.
Bro, she's like a horse.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, look at her.
Look at her.
Bro, that's kind of scary.
Don't crash into
Yeah,
her.
that's kind of scary.
Don't crash into her. No damage. No damage.
Damn, she's still running, bro. Don't. What the? Yo, kill Kevin. I wanna do it.
So.
Kind of low.
Is this James? I'm
Yeah,
here to pick up James.
I did, yeah. How'd I look?
Holy shit, rotten oyster.
Someone looks like he
I don't like how he looks
so
either.
bad.
He looks like the monster.
Have you seen yourself?
Nope.
I sent it
Bro.
to you on fucking Discord.
Alright, I'll check it out.
Because it's starting to look like Canada. Ow.
Oh!
Ow.
Oh! Crash into
Ah.
my leg.
Hold on.
Bro, look at Gotham in
The
a...
Horgan getting
Get
chased
hit
by
by
fucking
lightning.
Gotham.
Is that considered lucky?
Sir, can you...
Can you back off?
Finally.
How'd I get
Hey,
up there?
fuck.
Okay, oh.
How'd I get up there? 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 How'd I get up there?
Can you...
Andrew.
Can you stop?
Sam, jump.
Yeah?
Oh, look at his axe.
You... Not here yet.
Shit. Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh, this is a big area.
What?
Oh, damn.